If you're choosing between a Jeep and a Toyota and thinking they're both tough, they'll both last forever, I'm gonna stop you right there. That assumption is where many people make an expensive mistake. Today, we're answering the real question: Jeep versus Toyota. Which actually lasts longer in the real world? No hype, no fanboy talk, just real ownership. 1. What lasts longer really means. When people say a vehicle lasts longer, they usually mean fewer breakdowns, lower long-term maintenance cost, less stress owning it, still reliable at 200K, 300K miles. This is where Jeep and Toyota start to separate. 2. Brand philosophy. Jeep builds vehicles for experience, extreme off-road capability, customization and modification, assumes owners will maintain often. Toyota builds vehicles for durability, conservative, over-engineered designs, built to survive abuse, assumes imperfect maintenance. Different philosophy means different lifespan. 3. Engine reliability. Jeep engines can last, but only with good maintenance. Miss oil changes, ignore warning signs, and problems come fast. Toyota engines are famous for low-stress design, thick internal components, regularly reaching 300K miles. Advantage: Toyota. 4. Transmission and drivetrain. Jeep drivetrains are capable but sensitive to lift kits, big tires, towing without upgrades. Toyota drivetrains are understressed and often last the life of the vehicle. Advantage: Toyota. 5. Suspension and steering. Jeep suspension offers great articulation but wears faster. Bushings, steering, and alignment need frequent attention. Toyota suspension is stiffer, simpler, and lasts longer with less care. Advantage: Toyota. 6. Electrical and electronics. Jeep's removable parts increase electrical issues over time, not serious but annoying. Toyota wiring is sealed, simple, and extremely reliable. Advantage: Toyota. 7. Off-road reality. Jeep dominates extreme trails, but more capability means more broken parts. Toyota is slower off-road, but survives abuse better long-term. 8. Real-world mileage. In real life, Toyotas often reach 250 to 300,000 miles. Jeeps usually need major work by 180,000 to 220,000 miles. Exceptions exist, but averages matter. 9. Maintenance cost. Jeep ownership, more repairs, more alignment jobs, more worn components. Toyota ownership, fewer surprises, lower long-term cost. 10. Final verdict. Toyota lasts longer for the average owner. Jeep can last long, but only with dedication. If you want reliability, less stress, high mileage, choose Toyota. If you love off-roading, modifying, wrenching, choose Jeep. 11. Mechanics' final advice. This isn't about which brand is better. It's about how you drive, how you maintain, and what you expect. Toyota builds vehicles for people who don't want to think about cars. Jeep builds vehicles for people who want to live with their car. If this helped, like and subscribe to Advanced Backyard Mechanic. Comment below, Jeep or Toyota, and why. Wrench smart, drive smart.